Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Saram Tadepalli. Welcome to my channel Check in Life. In this video, I am going to demonstrate this car and I am going to explain everything regarding this project in this video, step-by-step procedure of what we have done in this project. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned about how to choose a major project for bachelor's and master's. So this is one of the bachelor's project of my students. So I am going to demonstrate this one. I am going to explain objective of this project, everything in this video. So let's get started. The main objective of this project divided into 3 parts. First of all, we want to develop a car, IoT based car with voice authentication, voice acceptance. So this car have to work based on our voice commands. This is the first objective. Second objective, it has to help for physically challenged people, or especially orthopedically handicapped people. So they can't ride on their own because of their organ problems. So this has to satisfy them with voice access like that. And third one, obstacle detection. If there is any object while traveling, if it is happening some accident, or if there is any animal in this path of this car, it will stop automatically. So it has to differentiate between objects. So we achieved all these objectives in this project. So let's start with identifying what are the spare parts, or what are the technologies we are using in this project. So this one is a power bank. So especially we need to have some power backup, so we are maintaining one standby power bank. And this one is Arduino Uno board. So we are using Arduino code to recognize the port numbers and what are the actions we are performing, and what are the actions we assigned to digital and analog ports in this Arduino Uno. And this one is Node MCU board. This will be helpful for Wi-Fi connectivity from our mobile phone to this car. And this one is a Bluetooth accepting device. So this will be connecting to a mobile app in our mobile phone. So using that mobile app, we are going to connect with this car. And we have 4 motors here, 2 motors in this side and 2 motors in other side. And in this first layer we have you can see that it's a Raspberry Pi board is available, so which is maintaining these 4 motors. And especially this one is object detection sensor. So while traveling, so it will detect what are the objects in its path, and it will stop automatically. So this is overall explanation on the requirements of our car building mechanism. And I connected to the mobile device, and I am going to demonstrate it now. And we have an obstacle there, so it has to stop whenever it identified that obstacle. So I am going to demonstrate now. Forward. Back. Stop. Forward. Back. Left. In this way it will work. I hope you understand the concept of this project. And in this way you have to identify what are the real-time problems, and you have to search for the base papers, and you have to do projects like this. So this is the video on IoT self-driving car with voice authentication. Thank you.